The Planet Savers is a science fiction novel by Marion Zimmer Bradley in her Darkover series. It was first published in book form in English by Ace Books in 1962. With Bradley's novel The Sword of Aldones. The story first appeared in the November 1958 issue of the magazine Amazing Stories.It subsequently appeared in a German translation in 1960 with additional chapters added that were not by the author. The Planet Savers takes place at least 152 years after the events described in Rediscovery. Plot summary. Desperate to discover a cure for the cyclical 48-year fever known as Trailman's fever, Dr. Randall Forth persuades a colleague, J. Allison, to undergo hypnosis. He calls forth a secondary personality, Jason Allison, who is gregarious and an experienced mountain climber, while J. Allison is a cold, clinical man with no outdoor skills. Jason is asked to lead an expedition into the Hellas to collect medical volunteers from among the trailmen. Accompanying him are Rafe Scott, Regis Hastur, Kyla Rainage, a renunciate guide, and several others. During the trip, Jason yo-yos between his two personalities, one warm and charming, the other distant and clinical. Jason, the warm personality, falls in love with Kyla. They are attacked on the trail by a party of hostile trail women. As a result of the attack, the J personality reappears, and is considerably more formal than the Jason personality. When they reach the trailman nest where Jason lived as a child, he is recognized. The party is invited into the trailman's tree habitat. The Old Ones of the Sky People inquire why Jason has brought an armed party of humans to the nest. Jason explains his mission, to find a remedy for 48-year fever. He introduces Regis Hastur to the Old Ones, and Regis also pleads for the Sky People's assistance. 100 trailmen volunteer. The party, with volunteers, returns to the Terran Trade City. Some months later, a serum is developed for the treatment of 48-year fever. Regis Hastur arrives to congratulate Jason Allison. The exposure to Regis reminds Jason of the expedition, and causes Jason to merge into a third, more stable personality. Characters: Jason Allison, Dr. Randall Forth, psychiatrist. Regis Hastur, the Darkover Regent's grandson. Kyla Rainage, renunciate backcountry guide. Buck Kendrisks, a Space Force man. Rafe Scott, half Darkovan, half Terran. Publication history: 1958 USA, Amazing Stories, pub date November 1958, magazine publication, 1960 Germany, Utopia Zukunftsroman OCLC 73611777, pub date 1960, in German as Dr. Allison's Fight Sick with additional material not by Bradley, 1962 USA, Ace Books OCLC 17,399,915, pub date September 1962, paperback, DOS with the Sword of Aldones, 1979 USA, Greg Press ISBN 0839825145, pub date 1979, hardcover. 1979 UK, Arrow Books ISBN 0099193205, pub date 1979, paperback. 1980 USA, Ace Books ISBN 0-441-67027-X, pub date 1980, paperback, with The Sword of Aldones, an additional short story and an article. 1995 USA, DAR Books ISBN 0-88677-6309, pub date April 1995, paperback, with The Winds of Darkover.